Introducing IVI, the revolutionary 3D printer. It's smart and easy enough for anyone to use, even for a child. Start with your design or select one. Click Make. IVI will do the rest. Easily change different modules like camera sensors, CNC, laser and SLA to build all kinds of projects quickly. Dual cameras automatically identify the chocolate's position and shape, help place designs, and start to make in no time. IVI moves precisely to the accuracy of 1/10 of the human hair. With the SLA toolset, you can create models with remarkable detail. The cutting-edge Smooth Keep technology makes the print surface smoother and your models more lifelike. Now there is no limit to what you can create. Combine your ideas and creativity to produce unique gifts effortlessly. The precision-engineered frame and IVI's closed-loop motion control system ensure the printer's accuracy, so you can rebuild the model precisely. IVI will become your model factory, treasure box, and never let you miss creating any of your spur-of-the-moment ideas, even ideas from a child. The 3D scanning function digitizes objects quickly and easily for recreation. You can create designs with various materials, and also IVI supports both FDM and SLA technology. Make a sophisticated robot arm, or customize the 3D scanned key and recreate it. With IVI, you can easily produce happy memories for life. Explore IVI's extensive object library to find great existing projects ready to build. The models are so accurate and smooth, you can produce parts for assembly and painting. The printing quality is exquisite to provide good replacement solutions and valuable reference. Use IVI on your phone or other devices anywhere, anytime. IVI was born to help dreams come true. Become your children's superhero when you create with IVI to bring your children's dreams into reality. Doctors are always pursuing accuracy, productivity, and reliability. IVI has the same pursuit of building your ideas. Engrave a fascinating portrait on the leather with the laser tool. Cut special fibers to build extraordinary and colorful pop-up books. With SLA tool, you can even make an engagement ring by yourself. IVI is love, is responsibility, and witnesses your happy moments. This is IVI, the revolutionary 3D printer. Get an IVI and start your wonderful journey now.